Listen to me very carefully, because if you are retired, or if you are anywhere near retirement, every single dollar coming into your household is precious. You worked 30, 40, maybe 50 years for your money, and you cannot afford to waste a single dime on financial gimmicks that sound good on paper, but bleed your bank account dry in reality. Today we are talking about an app that many of you have asked me about. It is called MoneyLion, specifically their Credit Builder Plus program. Now, why are people asking about this? Because maybe your credit score took a hit during a rough patch. Maybe you had medical bills, or you went through a tough life transition, or maybe you just haven't used credit in years and your score went dormant. And suddenly, you realize you need a decent credit score in retirement. Why? Because insurance companies look at your credit score to price your car and home insurance. Landlords look at it if you decide to downsize into an apartment or a senior living community. Car dealerships look at it if your old car dies and you need to buy a reliable replacement. So the fear is real. You sit there thinking, how am I going to rebuild my credit score quickly when I am on a fixed income, living on Social Security, or relying on my hard-earned savings? Then you see an advertisement on your smartphone or on the internet for MoneyLion Credit Builder. They tell you, no hard credit check, we can help you boost your score by dozens of points, and we will give you a loan of up to $1,000 to boot. Sounds like a lifesaver, doesn't it? It sounds like someone is finally throwing you a rope. Stand up, sit up straight, and pay attention, because I need you to look under the hood before you sign up for anything like this. Here is how MoneyLion Credit Builder actually works, and I want you to hear these numbers clearly. To get access to their Credit Builder loan, you first have to sign up for their Credit Builder Plus membership. And how much does that membership cost? It costs $19.99 every single month. $20 a month. Now, $20 might not sound like a fortune when you say it fast. But $20 a month is $240 a year. That is $240 out of your pocket every year just for the right to apply for a loan. Instead, you have to pay MoneyLion every single month for 12 months. You pay principal and you pay interest on that loan. And what is the interest rate? The APR ranges from 5.99% all the way up to 29.99%. If you add up 12 months of that $20 fee, which comes out to $240, and you add the interest payments on a $1,000 loan, do you know what the true effective cost of that loan actually is? It can equal an equivalent annual percentage rate of 60, 70, or even 75%. Now, MoneyLion will tell you, well, you can earn back that $20 fee through our loyalty program if you log into the app 20 days a month and make 20 purchases of $10 or more on our debit card. Let me ask you an honest question. Are you in retirement so you can spend your days opening a financial app 20 times a month and chasing debit card transactions just to get back money that was yours in the first place? No, you have better things to do with your life. You should not have to jump through administrative hoops and make 20 purchases a month just to avoid paying $20 to build your own credit. So, what is the question you need to ask yourself right now? The question is, can I build my credit score without paying $20 a month and without paying crazy interest rates? The answer is a resounding yes. You do not need MoneyLion, and you do not need to pay anybody a monthly fee to build or rebuild your credit score. Here is your actionable takeaway, step by step, for how you build your credit safely, intelligently, and virtually for free. First, look into a secured credit card from a major, reputable financial institution like Discover or Capital One. A secured credit card works like this. You put down a refundable security deposit, say $200 or $300. That deposit becomes your credit limit. You use that card once a month for a tiny purchase, like buying a gallon of milk or paying a small monthly utility bill. Then, when the statement comes, you pay that bill in full every single month before the due date. Do you know what happens when you do that? The credit card company reports your on-time payment to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You pay $0 in monthly membership fees. You pay $0 in interest because you pay the balance in full every month. And after 6 to 12 months of responsible use, most of these companies will refund your security deposit and upgrade you to a regular, unsecured credit card. You got the credit boost, you kept your money, and nobody picked your pocket. Second, if you really want a structured credit builder loan because you prefer a fixed monthly payment schedule, walk into a local credit union or community bank in your town. Many nonprofit credit unions offer traditional credit builder loans where the money is held in a savings account that earns interest for you. The interest rates are usually very low, and there is no $19 a month membership fee attached to it. You are dealing with real people in your community who want to help you succeed, not a mobile app trying to subscription fee you to death. Third, make sure you are protecting the credit score you already have. Make sure 35% of your score, which is your payment history, is rock solid by putting every single recurring bill on automatic payment. If you have older credit cards that you haven't used in a while, do not close them down unless they carry heavy annual fees. The length of your credit history matters, and keeping those older accounts open helps your score stay strong. You do not need to fall for high-fee apps to secure your financial future. You have worked too hard, sacrificed too much, and earned every single dollar in your bank account. Do not give your hard-earned money away to companies that profit off your fear of a low credit score. Take control of your money today. Go the simple, zero-fee route. Keep your cash where it belongs, in your own bank account, and build your financial strength with confidence and dignity.